time no see. I'm Daniel Wendell. We're back at Automotive Aesthetic again. Last time we did Jason's WRX. This time we are excited to work on Marshall's Lexus ISF. He has done a couple modifications to it to make it his own. Marshall takes it to the track. Last weekend he was at BIR. I like the tracks. We're excited to work on the ISF. To be honest with you, I've actually never even worked on an ISF before. So we're here at Advance Auto today. I got my shopping cart. I'm ready to fill it like Santa's sleigh. So we've got our shopping list. We know generally what we need, but you know, we kind of left a little bit of room for me to come down and pick what we wanted here. I'm like a kid at a candy store right now. So we got two different tools to be able to foam up the car with. We'll talk a little bit more about those when we get back to the shop. We're gonna start with decontamination, get some shampoo. This is the exact same combination that I used last time. I liked it, so we're gonna do it again. Clay bars, last time we used this time we're gonna use this, but also talk about this. Tar removers, awesome tar remover. You know, kind of start from the top and work our way down. So I've been closely examining these products that they've got here, and typically in a good leather cleaner you want something that's going to really kind of bring back a matte finish, satin finish to the leather, not like a greasy, oily mess. And same with the conditioner, kind of something that's going to dry down to a non-greasy natural look. Pretty stoked to try it out. And then we're gonna get some polishes, you know, a couple tools maybe. I'm looking around. Freaking love these. So we're walking over to the marine section to see a little secret product that is kind of hidden back there. Awesome for protecting dashboards and like hard plastics in your interior. Super non-greasy 303 aerospace protectant. Yeah, baby. Who is that guy? How do I get on the cover of this? These things are gold. Yeah. First thing we're gonna do is go through and decontaminate the car. We're gonna wash it, kind of try to get it up a little bit higher so that we can kind of deal with the wheel arches and everything.
Today for the ISF we have two options as far as foaming it up. We have this foaming sprayer here. This one actually connects to a garden hose. It comes with a quick disconnect, connect it right to a garden hose, fill it up with your solution. And essentially this is a wet foam versus a pressure washer creates a dry foam. So this would be a good option for anybody who does not have a pressure washer. It creates enough foam to create a lubrication on the paint for you to do a very proper 2-bucket method wash, although having a proper pressure washer with a foam cannon creates a lot more suds, a lot more thicker foam, and just something that's all around safer to use to wash the car. So something that we discovered that Advance now carries is actually this foam cannon. In the kit that they sell at Advance, it comes with a gun that attaches to your pressure washer hose or whatever you might be. It also comes with a foam cannon. Both have a quick disconnect on it. You know, put it on, quick, takes it right off. It's very easy, very versatile. Creates a lot of foam just because of the pressure that's coming behind it. So this product is actually very similar to what we use in our shop. More than competent to get the job done for what you need. Creates a very safe, thick layer of foam on the paint. That way you got plenty of lubrication in between the mitt and the paint, so that way you're not trying to scratch up your paint as much as possible. So we've already actually done our 2-bucket method wash. We've already done our chemical decontamination on the paint. Now we're ready to actually start doing a physical decontamination on the paint. So what I have here is a actual traditional clay bar. As you're using it, you're gonna be able to see a lot more contaminants that are coming up. So the synthetic clay is more of a product that is gonna be used for somebody who is not gonna be polishing afterwards. The traditional clay bar tends to mar up the paint and can definitely induce some scratching just because of the nature of the clay bar, and you're picking up a lot more pieces of contamination. The synthetic clay is much safer in certain aspects. It's going to abrade the surface a lot less. Ooh, it actually works really well. There's still abrasion on the paint, but it's still a lot safer to use than a traditional clay bar. So me and Brian just started our polishing process. As I finished my first pass, I noticed that the pad was turning black as I finished, as so. Lexus possibly, and I could be wrong on this, has a tinted clear, which essentially means that the clear coat and the color or the base coat are essentially one. They're sprayed on together, they're bonded together, they're baked together. The pad turning black is actually a pretty good visual representation of what's actually going on between the pad and the paint. Every time you polish a car, you're pulling up clear coat, whether it be with a harder pad like this or a softer foam pad. Polishing is an abrasive process, and you can only polish a car a certain amount of times before you end up burning through the clear coat or the color coat. So that's why it's very important to protect your paint after you do a polishing process.
These are my dream lug nuts.
So Marshall has Advan GTs on his ISF, some OG JDM wheels. These are not cheap wheels. You know, wanting to take care of them and protect them, keep them easy to maintain is going to be important. So when we have them off the car, we're going to prep them and then put Modesta BC06 on there to kind of make it a lot easier for Marshall to care for them going forward.
So we're BC06ing these wheels. So prior to coating, we're going to get all the tar and the rubber from his track day off. And we're going to use the tar and sap remover from Advance Auto. This is legit the good stuff. We actually keep it in stock.
Now I'm just getting ready to go protect the actual plastics of the dashboard. So this, the product by 303 is the aerospace protectant. It's going to be really good just because it's not going to leave a streaky finish or any like a shiny finish. It's going to leave a very matte and nice smooth finish. It's not going to be oily at all to your fingers.
Overall, we were able to remove just about all the defects in the paint, give it a mirror finish. Black is one of the most difficult colors to deal with, but also the most satisfying. The products that we got from Advance were awesome. The Griot's drying towel, always at the top of the list. The Meguiar's clay bar kit was a great clay bar. One thing that Steven liked about the synthetic clay bar kit, it was great for dealing with the areas that weren't super contaminated because it didn't mar up the surface as much. Meguiar's 105 and 205 twins, always a great combination. We keep 105 and 205 in stock all the time. Terminator is awesome. The Leather Honey Cleaner lathered really nicely, lifted the dirt very well. It was a great product. Even something as simple as 3M tape, great cheap product that will save you so much time. The thing about detailing that I hate the most is cleaning glass. This tool that we found at Advance Auto is a great tool. It made Steven's life a lot easier when he was cleaning glass. In summary, we're really happy that we were able to detail Marshall's ISF. Not only able to clean the paint, we were able to polish it, protect it for future track use. It came out awesome. I think that he's happy. I hope that he's really happy. The thing about detailing that I hate the most is cleaning glass. But we did find this tool at Advance Auto. But we did find this tool at Advance Auto.